a great product, guys, because hello everyone, my name is Sushmita. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk everything about sunscreen, why sunscreen has to be used, what is the importance of sunscreen, which sunscreen has to be chosen for which skin type, and yeah, it's everything about sunscreen. Why not? Because it's summer and it's a peak time. Every individual must include sunscreen in their skincare routine. So yeah, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first, let's talk about chemical sunscreens. They are designed in such a way that they absorb the UV rays and convert them into heat, whereas mineral sunscreens are designed in such a way they reflect the UV rays from your skin. So this is the major difference. So I think in my collection I have only one mineral sunscreen, so I thought I'll just start with that. So that is Lotus Botanicals sunscreen. So this is how the packaging looks. So this is Lotus Botanical Carrot and Niacinamide Glow and Detan Mineral Sunscreen. So this is SPF 50 plus, which is a good thing, and it's PA plus 4 plus, UVA and UVB protection, water resistant, blue light protection. So in the market there are many sunscreens, but there are only few sunscreens which give you the blue light protection, and this is one among them. MRP is 645, but I'm pretty sure that you will get this under 500 in Amazon, Nykaa, and other platforms. The good news is all the sunscreens that I have are mostly under 500. So my main motto of doing this video is to give you the information or the review about the sunscreen that are under budget, so that everybody can consider using them. So yes, so let me show you the consistency here. I have used it quite a bit. So this is the consistency, this is how it looks. This is quite creamy, and if you are someone who have oily skin, I think you can just use this. You can skip your moisturizer. This is quite thick and this is non-comedogenic. You can see this takes some time to blend, but this will not leave the white cast. Let me show you. This blended completely into my skin, guys. Can you see that glow? It is very glowy. I would say if you are someone who is starting the skincare or in the thought of following a skincare, I think you can consider using this particular sunscreen. This is quite good. So the next sunscreen is this one. This is Sun Heal. I believe, if I'm not wrong, this is a pharma sunscreen. This is not a drugstore product. So this is Sun Heal Ultra Matte Gel Sunscreen fortified with peptides. So let me also tell you about this. The sunscreens are formulated in a wide range of consistency. There are gel sunscreens, there are cream sunscreens, there are liquid sunscreens, there are mattifying sunscreens, glowy sunscreens. So this is something that comes under in the gel category, and this is a pharma sunscreen. So this comes with SPF 50 plus, PA plus. Again, it's a Quadra plus and SPF 50, just like the Lotus one. And this comes with UVA, UVB, IR protection. This is oil free, anti-aging benefits, water and sweat resistant, non-comedogenic, and the cost is, I think this is on the pricier side. Let me just tell you, this is 750, but I think you will get some around 5% or 10% discount, not more than that. And this is the only sunscreen that is above 500 budget, and the other sunscreens are under 500. So yeah, let me review this also. So this looks creamy, but this is in a gel form. I mean, once you apply it on your face, you can feel it. See, this is like a magic. Please give it a try, and this is very good for the summers, and this gives the best protection. And the next up, I have the cult favorite Dot and Key. I mean, like, guys, who don't know about this brand Dot and Key? This is one of my favorite sunscreen, and also the favorite brand. Everything that this brand does, like a moisturizer, sunscreen, face wash, lip balm, everything is absolutely amazing. I'm someone, I have this habit of, trying out new things, but for some reason, there are only few products in some brands that I will repurchase. So this is one among them, and I'm really happy with my purchase. I think earlier I have used two sunscreens from Dot and Key, in that yellow bottle. I think that is vitamin C, and I thought this time let's give it a try for different variant. So this is how the packaging looks, and this is very travel friendly. This is very chic packaging. You can just put it in your bag, and this you are good to go. So this is Dot and Key Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Sunscreen, long lasting moisturizer, moisture SPF 50 plus, PA plus 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 plus, broad spectrum with hyaluronic plus 5 ceramides for all skin types with 6 UV filters, non greasy finish, and fragrance free. So yeah, this is my favorite sunscreen, because as I've already told you that I come from a dry skin family. My skin is very dry. Even in summers, I feel the dryness on my skin. As soon as I wash my face, I need to have my moisturizer. If not, I'll die with dryness. So that dry my skin is, and this sunscreen, along with giving that sun protection, this also does the job of moisturize. So let me show you the consistency. So if you know about the yellow one, it is that is very light formula, but I will say this is little bit thick compared to that yellow one. But if I generally talk, that Dot and Key sunscreens are very light in texture, liquid formula. But this one, because this have ceramides, so ceramides are really good if you have dry skin. So in winters, so what I do is, in winters I'll just use this sunscreen, I'll skip my moisturizer. But in summers, if I'm using this sunscreen, I'll use little bit of moisturizer, and then I'll go with sunscreen, and I'm good to go for good 10 to 15 hours. Yeah, this is such a great product, blends like a magic. And the next one I have is a Lotus Herbals. Again, it's a Lotus sunscreen, but this time it is a tinted sunscreen. When you want to do that no makeup look, that is when I use this sunscreen. I'm not sure how much of a protection that it gives, but when I want that, even skin, even skin tone feeling, I'll go with this one. But when I use this one, underneath this I'll use the sunscreen also, and then I apply this. Generally, it's a good to know information. Compared to normal sunscreens, the tinted sunscreens gives you a good protection, because it have a tint. It will give you the good protection. I think this is the first sunscreen. I think Lotus and VLCC are the one who came up with the tinted sunscreens, if I'm not wrong. And nowadays there are a lot of brands that are coming up with tinted sunscreens, like Dot and Key, Hyphen. I'm not sure about the Hyphen one, but I know that Dot and Key tinted sunscreen is really good. I'm out of that bottle, so I don't have it right now. And I think Lotus tinted sunscreen and also Dot and Key tinted sunscreens, both are really good. Every girl, this is what I feel, every girl should have one tinted sunscreen in their collection on the days when you don't want to do a lot of makeup and you want to look presentable. you can go with these kind of tinted sunscreens. Can you see this blends like a magic, and you will not get that patchy feeling. This evens out your skin tone, and this gives you nice hydration and good glow and even skin tone. So yeah, this is, I think this is very very affordable. This is 355, but I'm pretty sure you will get it somewhere around 250 to 300 for good 100 ml of product. So this is Lotus Herbals. That one comes from a Lotus Botanicals. It's a safe sunscreen. In this you also have another sunscreen that comes with I think a purple flower here. That is a gel sunscreen for oily skin people. I think that sunscreen is really really good, but that doesn't come with a tint. So this is 3-in-1 matte look daily sunscreen, sun protection, skin radiance mattifying. This is dermatologically tested. This is PA3 plus, UVA protection and UVB protection. This is SPF 40. So this is paraben free and chemical free. This is for all skin types. I particularly love this sunscreen. I think this really suits my skin tone, and this really evens out my skin. I mean, for the purpose that I'm using, this definitely satisfy my purpose, and I have completed bottles and bottles of it. But keep in mind, if you are using this sunscreen, first go in with moisturizer, apply any good broad spectrum sunscreen, then go with this one, because I'm really not sure how much of a protection that this gives. And the last and final sunscreen that I have is a Wishcare sunscreen. I mean, come on guys, who don't know about Wishcare sunscreen? Because in every social media platform, every creator is raving about Wishcare sunscreen, and I would say it's worth all the hype. Because can you see, is it visible that how much I have used? No, but this is something that I have completed multiple bottles, again just like a Dot and Key one, but this comes even more in a liquidy form, which is really really suitable for, especially for the oily skin girls. This is Wishcare Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen, light and matte, oats extract, zinc, PCA, Cica and ceramides, PA+++, Quadra Plus, broad spectrum 50 SPF plus, balances oil and protects skin. So this is something that you can think of when you need good skincare, good sun protection, because these also have niacinamide, and this gives a very long protection, very long hours of protection. Let me show you the consistency. I know by this time everybody knows about this sunscreen. Oh my god, can you see how liquidy it is? Oh my god, with in no time this gets absorbed into the skin. But if you are using this, you have to keep in mind that you should have a good layer of moisturizer. Like Dot and Key sunscreen, this will not do the moisturizing, also the sunscreen protection. This gives only the sunscreen protection. If you are an oily skin girl, I think you can skip the moisturizer and only go for this one. This is such a great product guys, because a lot of people have this feeling that if they use sunscreen, the skin becomes dull, the skin becomes dark. But with this sunscreen, even if you are using it for the first time, you will never ever feel that feeling. It is completely it's like you feel like there is nothing on your skin. This is such a magical product for all the skin types. If you are a beginner, if you are already into the skincare, I think everybody should give a try. I think this is my most favorite sunscreen. They also have another variant. I think it's yellow color again, but I love this one, and I'm for sure I'm gonna continue using this. These are inspired from the Korean sunscreens, because they are very in a liquid form, non-greasy, non-oily. I think Wishcare does a great job in copying the or achieving that Korean sunscreen texture. I'm completely out of words. This is such a great product. If you haven't tried it, please, 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 if you are in hunt of a good sunscreen, no more thinking, just go ahead and purchase this one. You will definitely love it. Just because I've spoken about the Korean sunscreen, I also love Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. The only reason that I haven't included that in this video is this video whole purpose is to bring out the budget friendly sunscreens so that everybody can afford. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you really like the video, and I hope that this video is informative to everyone out there. And thank you so much for watching my video. I think you all know that I'm a newbie to this YouTube family. I really want to grow, give some good and authentic content. So if you really want to support me, please give that big fat thumbs up and also comment down and let me know what kind of videos that you want me to do, and I'm really happy to do that for you guys. Before you go, please consider subscribing to my channel and support me. As I told you, I really want to build a good community. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I hope you all are you all stay safe and stay hydrated in the summer. Bye.